Hello students, today we start very important chapter called BODMAS rule. So the same thing again you will see in class 7 also. So remember, this is one of the very important chapter, simplification. We learn what is simplification. So in fractions we come to 4f. After knowing all the concept of fractions, I have already made 10 video lesson on fractions up to 4e, 4a, 4b, 4c, 4d, 4e. If you have not seen them, please go back, okay, and check. So here we start BODMAS rule. So any standard book if you have, so you can refer to that for ICSE or any other board. So BODMAS rule full form you will get there. I have not written. So B stands for bracket. We will see. So I'll teach you more when I give you off. You can see off is here. Then comes division, multiplication, addition, then subtraction. So remember, addition comes first before subtraction. So this is BODMAS rule. But what is the main thing over here, if you see, is simplification of numerical expression. So these are all numerical expression. This rule comes for numerical expression. What are numerical expression? Okay, it's combination of numbers. You see, fraction, numbers, okay, rational numbers, you can say fraction, they are very close. So they are combination of numbers. So these are actually, and they are connected by plus, okay, of division, minus, into, okay, of I should have written like this, and of, okay. So these are numerical expression. We find, we solve, we simplify by using a rule called BODMAS rule. If you see in my earlier video, in the beginning chapter I did whole numbers. Whole number in the second part, if you see, we had DEMAS rule. So we started with this. So there I taught you in the second video of whole numbers. Okay, I taught you there what is DEMAS rule. And that time also I told you we will have BODMAS later on. So BODMAS rule we follow to simplify this numerical expression. So this is our concept for today. We simplify numerical expression which are nothing but combination of numbers connected by signs in between. Okay, next I told you what is BODMAS rule. Then order of, so you'll see some brackets will come. So first we solve bar bracket. Bar bracket is somewhere like this. You will see bar is up, a line is up. Parenthesis, small bracket we used to call. Braces, middle bracket we used to call. We use this in sets, children. Square bracket means big bracket. So this is how we do order of simplifying bracket. We do bar bracket, small bracket, middle bracket, and big bracket. So with this basic idea, we start exercise 4f. Okay, now let us see first sum. Of, before I apply of which becomes multiplication, first of all, let us convert your mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 4 5s are 20 plus 2, 22 by 5. 4 5s are, so in my earlier video you have seen two very important things, how to convert mixed fraction to improper and how to convert improper to mixed. Okay, so 4 5s are 20 plus 2, 22, and denominator or divisor remains same. Now this will cancel, children. This is little hard, but you have to learn and do this simplifying, cancellation, and reducing them to lowest term. So we may have problem in the beginning, so I said please practice again and again till you learn. So 11 1s are 11, 11 2s are 22. Nothing will cancel between 4 and 5. What we are left with, 4 2s are 8 by 5. So you convert this into improper fraction when numerator is bigger to mixed fraction. So if you convert, it will be 1/3 by 5. Okay, so we have converted the improper fraction to mixed fraction, which is nothing but a number and a proper fraction. Proper fraction has small denominator, smaller numerator than denominator. It's a proper fraction, numerator smaller than denominator. This is improper. Numerator equal to or greater than denominator. So we convert it to mixed fraction. Next, if you see here, 3/4 of means into, and rupee I converted to paise. So as you know, rupee 1 is equal to 100 paise. Okay, why? We can cancel it. So 4, if you see, if you divide by 100 by 4, 4 2s are 8. Try to learn. This is little hard. Please see, 4 2s are 8. 2 will remain. No, 10 is there. So 10 minus 8 is 2. Imagine small 2 here. So that 2 makes it 20. So 4 5s are 20. If you have any problem in the beginning, you divide like this. Almost same thing we are doing here. 4 2s are 8. 4 5s are 20. No remainder. Quotient is 25. 25 3s are 75 paise. So answer is 3/4 of rupee 1 is 75 paise. Same thing here, children. We know 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, so 5/12 of 1 hour, 60 minutes is. So as I told you earlier in my every earlier class, I am telling you all, please learn tables. Otherwise, it's very difficult to be good in maths. So 12 5s are 60. 5 5s are 25. So this is 25 minutes. Got it? Once more, 5/12 of 1 hour, which is 60 minutes. So we cancel 12 with 60. There's another small prime factor you can break. That is very big method. You write 60 as prime factor, 12 as 2 into 2 into 3. Then we cancel. So learn by HCF. The highest common factor between 12 and 60 is 12, and we cancel. HCF is always better. And as I told you, one separate nice video very soon I am going to make on HCF and LCM and how to get them mentally by very look of it. Okay, so we get 25 minutes. So you can copy, pause the video and copy. You can take a screenshot also, children. If you have a problem, you can take a screenshot and then you can pause the video and copy. Then we will move on to question 3. So this part I am going to rub, children, because I am using to solve that. So if needed, you can rewind, playback by tapping on the left. You can pause by tapping in the middle. You can take a screenshot. Now, first step, children, is to convert all this mixed fraction into improper fraction. We can only cancel if they are in improper fraction. Okay, so first step is, you can see, let off remain off. 8 2s are 16 plus 5, 21 by 8 plus 9 1s are 9 plus 1, 10 by 9. So first step, children, if you see, I have just converted mixed fraction. There are 3 mixed fraction into improper fraction. First step I will do off. Let division remain division. Off becomes multiplication, and at the same time we do this first because this is off. You can cancel with off also, no problem, but generally we convert into multiplication. You could have written off here, remember, without any problem. 7 3s are 21. So what we are left with, 4/3 divided by 3 3s are 9/8 plus 10/9. Okay, so please copy. I'm not going down. I'll rub this so that you can see nicely how we solve. So I hope you have copied. Always use a copy and pen. Maths, please don't see them. Have a pen and copy, write, practice. Okay, we come back. 4 by 3 division when it becomes multiplication. I've taught you in my earlier chapters, exercises. Denominator becomes numerator, numerator becomes denominator. So 8 goes up, 9 comes down, plus 10 by 9. So here 8 goes up, 9 goes down. So is anything cancelling? 4, this way also you can see up and down, numerator and denominator, they will not cancel. So we get 32, 4 8s are 32 by 27 plus 10 by 9. Then you have to find LCM of 9 and 27. See, 9 is a multiple of 27 is a multiple of 9. LCM will be 27 only. So you can do like this also. 9 27 starts with 3. Okay, again 3. So ultimately you will get 3 into 3 is equal to 27. So this is how we get LCM. 27 goes 1 times with 27. So this will be multiplied with 1. 9 will go to 27 3 times. So then will be multiplied with 3. So we get, children, 32 plus 30, 62 by 27, and if you convert it to mixed fraction, 27 to the 54, this I think will be 2, 8 by 27. So this you can do in the rough work and see how we have converted improper to mixed fraction. So kindly pause the video and copy, or you can take a screenshot. Next we move on to question number 5. So I'll try to do more sum in this exercise because, as I told you, this is a very important video lesson for you. This makes your base for your higher classes. So here we go to the bigger sum, number 5. Okay, let us see how we do. So very first step, children, is we convert all the mixed fraction into improper fractions. So 3 3s are 9 plus 2, 11 by 3 minus 3 by 11 of 4 2s are 8 plus 3, 11 by 4 divided by 1, 4 1s are 4 plus 1, 5 by 4 into 3 1s are 3 plus 2, 5 by 3 plus 1 by 3. So 11 by 3 minus 3 by 11 of 11 by 4 divided by, so always check, children, small error here you will get everything wrong. So please go slowly when you are learning. Now see, BODMAS rule, first comes off. So we will do this part. A lot of repeating thing is there, children. We have to write one operation in one step. So it may be a little boring, but this is how we have to do it. So see here, this off I'll do first. I told you may write off and cancel here. I could have done here like this, or we write into and we do. Both are equally correct. Okay, so in off also you can cancel, but generally people convert it to multiplication, then they cancel. Okay, divided by, so first operation is off. Okay, so here we have done off first. We can see in the bracket we write, see solved example of the book to see how we can write it. So removing off. Next is 11 by 3 minus 3 by 4 divided by 5 by 4 into 5 by 3 plus 1 by 3. So my next operation, if you see, is division. This part, 11 by 3 minus 3 by 4. You know, when division becomes multiplication, denominator goes up and numerator comes down. So here, see, while copying, one small mistake I was doing. So always be very careful. When you copy, also be very careful. Sometimes I see children, they make mistake in copying. 3 becomes 5, 5 becomes 3, and the whole answer goes wrong. And then you get very less mark or 0 mark. So here I do division. When division becomes multiplication, denominator goes up, numerator comes down. What we are left with? 11 by 3. And sometimes I see minus becomes division and division becomes minus. That also you have to be very careful. So I have done division. Now we will see, this is 5 by 3. See. So 3 by 5 into 5 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Now we will do multiplication. After division, we do third one is multiplication. So here this cancels, this cancels. What do we get? 11 by 3 minus 1. See, 1 remains. It's not 0. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. 5 ones are 5. So 1 remains, children. Remember, 1 plus 1 by 3. So let this be 1. So take LCM. Okay. Take LCM as 3. 1 and 3 is 3. 11, 1 will go 3 times. And this is there. So what do we get is 11 plus 1 by 3. So we get 12 minus 3 by 3, which is 9 by 3, which is equal to 3. See once more. 11 plus 1, 12. 12 minus 3 is your 9. 9 by 3 is, if you cancel, we get 3. So see this part, we do addition. See, addition. Next come addition. Next comes. So don't subtract first. You can do that, but you are not right. 11 minus 3 is 8. You can say, sir, 8 plus 1 is 9. No. Better method is 11 plus 1 you bring. First do addition. Make it 12, then you subtract. You could have done like this. 11 minus 3 is 8. 8 plus 1, 9. But this is better. We follow BODMAS. A, addition. 11 plus 1, 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. Not 8 plus 1 is 9. So kindly copy, pause the video, take screenshot, copy, then we move on to the last question for this session, that is number 7. Next we move on to question 7. So this is my last question for this first video on 4F. Next I'll make second video from 8 onward. So first, as I told you children, we convert. The first step is we convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. 4 3s are 12 plus 3. So you can take off and do here. First step I can do 4 3s are 12, 15 by 4 plus half divided by 3. So there was one mixed fraction, I converted it to improper fraction. Now here only with off, you can write multiplication with off also. 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15. So I have cancelled. Okay, one step I do here only. First you do off, I converted, and 3 5s are 15. So what we are left with children? Minus 5 by 4. 1 into 5 is 5. So imagine it to be multiplication only, but it comes much before. Even division, before that off comes. So please repeat all the other thing I said. You have lot of repetition to do over here. So first I have done the off. 3 cancels with 15. Now next I'll go, there are 2 divisions. So I'll do both. When it becomes division, acha, nothing is there in denominator here, means it's 1. When division becomes multiplication, children, I told you, be very careful with minus and division. Sometime I see boys or girls, when they come down, division becomes minus and whole thing goes wrong. Okay, generally division become minus, not the other way around. Minus generally does not become division because this dot they don't see. So this goes up, 7 goes up, 4 comes down. So have to be very careful. Minus 5 by 4 plus. So here you can imagine 1 to be in the denominator. When it gets into 1 goes up, 3 comes down. So what we are left with? 7 by 4 minus 5 by 4 plus nothing cancels 1 by 6. So when you take LCM of 4, 4, 6, you will get LCM as 12. 2, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 3. So your LCM is 2 into 2 into 3, which is 12. So write 12. Okay, so we have 7 by 4 minus 5 by 4 plus 1 by 6. Okay, so 12. Now see, 4, here I am doing, you can see nicely, 4 will go 3 times, so 7 will be multiplied with 3. 4 will go with 3 times, so 7 will be multiplied with 3. Minus will come, 4 will go again 3 times, so 5 will be multiplied with 3. Okay, and then last of all 6 will go 2 times, so 1 will be multiplied by 2. So finally what we have, children, is 21 minus 15 plus 2 by 12. So as I told you, first do addition. So what I have done? Of division, then we take common LCM, then see we will do addition. 21 plus 2, first addition, minus 15 by 12. This is correct. You will get the same answer, but that is not as per BODMAS rule. 21 minus 15 is 6. 6 plus 2, 8 is 8 here. Here also you will get 8, children. Here also you will get 23 minus 15 is 8. So better you do addition first. Take the plus together. 23 minus 15. This is 8 by 12. If you cancel by 4, it is 2 by 3 is your answer. Okay, so if you see, first you do addition, then you do subtraction. Okay, so your answer is 2 by 3. So kindly pause the video or take a screenshot and solve. So please, you see solved example, I have done up to 7. Do what I have not done. Take any book. If you are having different book, rule remains same. So please solve and practice, and thank you, children, for watching this video lesson.